Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to Circuit Digest. So today in this tutorial we are going to install Kodi Media Player in our Raspberry Pi Zero W. So these are the hardware required for this project. So this is the HDMI cable. So this HDMI cable is connected to a monitor display. So we are going to connect this HDMI cable with our Raspberry Pi Zero. So our Raspberry Pi Zero have only a micro HDMI port, so that's why we are going to use this micro HDMI. So we will connect this micro HDMI to this Raspberry Pi Zero. So here we have connected. Then we will connect this HDMI cable to this HDMI port. So now we have two ports. So this one is the power port and then this one is the USB port. So here we will connect our OTG cable. So this one is the OTG cable. So we will so this OTG cable has one micro USB port. So we will connect micro USB port in this USB port of this Pi Zero. So our OTG cable has been connected. So now we are going to connect this USB hub to this OTG cable. So now we can connect our mouse, keyboard or pen drive to this USB hub. So now this is the micro USB cable. So we are going to use this micro USB cable for the giving power to our Raspberry Pi Zero W. So here we have connected this one. So here we will give power supply to our Raspberry Pi Zero, and we have one mouse here, mouse and keyboard. So we will connect this mouse to this USB hub, and we can connect pen drive also. So for the playing video we will use further this pen drive. So here I am connected this pen drive also. So this one is the whole connection setup for this project. So now all connection has been completed. So now we have just powered on our Raspberry Pi Zero. So now it's getting started. So you can see this start booting. So we have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then after that we can see our Kodi Media Player user interface in this monitor. So now we are going to see how to access weather station that we already installed in this Kodi Media Player. So it's just simple. You have to go in weather station column. I already adds on this software. So you can see these are the weather forecasting. So we have click in this, so you can see this one. So this one is the weather forecasting. Here we can see the humidity and sunrise and sunset time, temperature also, and weather forecasting also. So this one is the weather forecasting that we have installed in this Kodi Media Player. So here we have used the API of this Gizmodo. So this one is the famous weather website. So we are taking the weather data from this website. So this one is the weather station. We have already installed it into Raspberry Pi Zero W. So now we will see how to play video in this Kodi Media Player. So first we will go to video section. So you can see this one is the video section. So then we will go to files. So here my pen drive name is Jupyter. So this one is our video file. We will click on this and you can see the video is going to play. So you can see this video has been started. So we can use Kodi Media Player as a gaming purpose, as a a weather station as a image viewer and book reading, and many purposes we can use this Kodi media player. So in upcoming tutorial we will see how to access YouTube or any other websites like Amazon Prime or Netflix in this Kodi media player. So in that tutorial we will see like how to access that website using API in this media player. So thank you for watching this tutorial.